Hey guys, I've never actually done Minecraft YouTube. If you know my page, it's Josiah's page. I'm gonna wait 10 seconds. Okay, that was less than 10 seconds, but it was worth it. So I was prepared with a little bit of stuff, and I'm gonna start showing you a few things in Minecraft. I've not just started the game, and I have never done a Minecraft YouTube before. It's my first one, and we'll just okay, take that back. So I said I'd give you a Minecraft YouTube survival, and I've already kind of prepared. And I'm like, where the heck did my crafting table go? And yeah, I do not know. Sorry about that, there's a fly in the camera. I do not know what I'm going to do, where I'm going. I'm just walking. Oh god. Oh yeah, we've got good luck. We've got good luck. You know I mean good luck. I bet you know what it is. It's that place up your head. Even if you don't know what it is, it's pretty cool. I'll be good luck to buy it. What time I get there? I walk in there immediately. Try to get some more coal and head to the fortress. I'll head to the fortress first. Not forced. Be weird if I did say. Sorry guys, there's flies everywhere. I might be swatting a lot. Oh, and if you like, oh god, what the crap? Here, let's look inside. No skeletons. Let's dig down some sandstone. I might as well dig down because I don't want to go fall on the button now to have some good luck, not bad luck. Oh, what's bad luck? Might just well get some. So I'll have some pretty cool storage immediately. I'm leaving that right in fresh. Who the heck wants that? Flesh, not fresh. No rotten flesh for me, guys. Oh, my gold here. That was pretty lucky of me to find one of these. I am not getting my flesh. Oh god, oh, no. This cannot be happening. Okay, so that was really bad. I do not know where I came from. Josiah make blown up. If you have seen that down in the corner, it will say, wait, let me see, down in the corner, it will say what happens, like if I get zombie. Not if I get zombie. If I get killed, then it will say something there. And I think I was in the desert. A stupid old desert. Just blew me to heaven. I'm heading back over there. Ooh, River Cane. No, straight to it. I'm not taking the wrong turn. I might. Oh, there's the castle. I don't care if I fall in there. I'm just gonna fall down right to the hole. If you'll notice, there'll be a huge explosion in the bottom. I cannot believe I just blew myself to heaven. I'm so stupid. I hope I don't do it again right when I get in there. I hope I do not kill myself. Oh wait, I'll be falling pretty far. Yes, I will. And the explosion did not mess up the castle, which really impresses me. Oh, that can be a huge tier. Drop in here. Yes, here. Be a cheater. cheat. I love cheating. Wow. Who the heck? Okay, so I'm not gonna go get back. So I might as well start a new game. Oh yeah, I might as well. So I can use the bonus box. Oh, if you're a fan of me, yes, I have lots of views on my Lego. Well, I got 85, I think. If you've seen me before, I like it. And I'm not doing anything special today. I'm not doing an update like Mr. Sparkles, Captain Sparkles. If you heard of him, I love him a lot. He is really good. I'm gonna do survival, but bonus chest on. I'm gonna actually make a smooth land sand. Let me start first. The first. I love the Hobbit. Not good. Who the heck did it come from? The Hobbit movie? Movie The Hobbit. Not Hobbit movie. They moved The Hobbit. Not Hobbit movie. They moved The Hobbit. What the heck? I don't even know why I'm saying this. So the bonus chest will allow me to pretty much be a huge fan of cheating. I really like it. It's a cheat box. It's a cheating box. It's a cheat box. Cheat box. Cheat box. Cheat box. Cheat. Cheating box. It's a cheating box. It really cheats actually, because I can take it with me. It's a really cheating box. It's a really cheating box. It's the real cheating box. It cheats most everyone. Ooh, what the? What's that slime? I don't care. I'm here to work for the village. So a good thing about these is that you can head right to a village. No disappointment. Really easy to find villages. It's like that. Village Times Square. Something like that. Nothing like that. Before I'm gonna make some. Like, we keep going pretty quickly because I want to get killed by someone. Okay, villagers. What the heck, pig? So they can literally do everything for me, so I don't really need to make anything. No big deal, these villagers. They're actually pretty kind. Ooh, potatoes. Take some. Potato plant. Damn, banana. Try to get it. Swim. Jump in the cave. Some carrots. Plant something new. Plant something here, actually. Do it. Who shall I try first? Ooh, that. I'll try with this guy first. Who would you like? Who would wear a White House? Who would wear a White House? Wait, I can cheat. I'm gonna cheat again. Cheat. Oh. Cheat. Block won't hide it. Light the night. Villagers are a huge cheat. They really cheat for you. I never have done this before, but I'm like, super fun. Because I'm just destroying everything and getting everything from the village. No waste of money. Waste no money. And it's really helpful. Besides, I like the buildings and collecting stuff. What's up? Oh yeah. Let me head down. Oh, because no villagers come up the ladders. I don't know why it has them. I think it's for like human safety. Safety for me. I like doing this. No reason to, but I like doing it. Oh, complete waste of stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna get some really rare stuff. Yes. Rare stuff. Really rare. I got the rare stuff in Minecraft. Rare stuff. Oh wait, it's about free armor. Come back. Ooh. Yes. Nether bricks. I'm really lucky on this one. I don't know how I got so lucky. I'm so lucky, lucky, lucky. I am very lucky, lucky, lucky. I really want a lucky, 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 lucky boy. I really want a lucky, lucky, lucky. I really want a lucky, lucky, lucky. I really want a lucky, 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 really lucky boy. I really want lucky, lucky, lucky. Take some. I'm a toy sheep. I really am a lucky, lucky, lucky. I really am a lucky, lucky, lucky. Oh god, I got slime ball, slime. Wait. Slime. Hate slimes. Whoa, go. Oh. Don't need that. Don't need slime ball. Hate slimes. Ice slime. Get him half. Get that. Kill him myself. Kill him with the apple. Kill him with the apple. Dude. Be a carrot. Just a second. Let me eat some carrots. Let me eat. Let me eat. What the heck? I'm not gonna let me meet. Digging the carrot. Up. Wait. Where Mom? Where here, Momo Mare, there. Let me take it. Yummy. Oh, perfect. That was really perfect, actually. Can't waste anything. Take it. Take some bits. Take it. Some grass. The other way. Wait, no, what? Hey. Wait. Wait, let me have some wheat. What the heck? Give me some more seeds, wheat seeds. Lucky. cancel. Not taking that. I'm leaving that. Border's game has really good lives. Oh god, this one. Run it off like it's TNT. Saying it, creepers scale. I'm gonna want this thing. I don't know why I'm singing a Minecraft song with. Yeah, well, I don't get more of I'm singing. I should play it in the year sometime. With I put my hand up in the air sometime. Oh, what? Am I going to go for someone? I don't think I'm going to go for someone. Chance with someone. Fully chance with someone. Uh-oh. Let me in them. I'm trying to sleep in here. Good. Trying to sleep. I don't think you'll all will hush up. You ever hush up? Dude, what the heck? Wait, what the heck? Oh. Sheesh. That's good. Uh-oh. Oh god, come on. Oh, ow. Go back. Back. No zombies in my house. Oh, how you there? How you do, zombie? How you do, zombie? Hope you shut something at some point. Be quiet. Shut, let me shut up. Now you'll pay for this. Ooh, what the? Go, back in. Close the door. Ooh, no. It's ruined. Somebody ruined my helmet. Somebody ruined my helmet. The times some really weird creatures ruin your helmets. Sheesh. Well, that's perfect too. What are you doing? Come here. Let me try. No, I do not have it. Crap. I'll play with you. Nothing. Don't have it. Good grief, will you shut up already? Okay guys, so I'll have to finish this one off another day. I'll try and make a part 2. So this will be part 1, I'll make part 2. And we'll leave off in the soldier house. So, see you later.